Wake up with Matt in the morning.
Oh, hey, thanks for waking up with me once again. Matt here, Matt in the morning. It's not morning right now, but it's the name of the show, so good morning anyways. And quite honestly, it's morning somewhere, so who cares? Anyways, the last video I put out was on smoked artichoke dip, smoked spinach and artichoke dip. So during that video, I figured out, oh wow, a cut up piece of a cherry tomato on top of the pita chip with the smoked spinach artichoke dip in that. I was like, that's pretty good. Stephanie then made a quick, what's it called? Caprese salad without the mozzarella because we have that in the spinach artichoke dip. And said, oh my gosh, come in here and try this. So chip, spinach artichoke dip, caprese on that. That was amazing. Like another level. So then she said, hey, what if you took the chicken thighs, grilled them, put some of the spinach artichoke dip on it, some mozzarella cheese on top of that. Once it gets all good and melted, pull it off, put it on a plate, take some caprese, put it on top of that. Boom. What? So we're going to try it. Now, her idea was just do it all on the grill. I just don't want, as it's cooking, all that to just go down into the grill grates and everything. So as you can see down below, I'm putting this into a dish and I'm going to throw it in the oven at 350. I don't know how long it's going to take. I'll tell you when I come back. Because this is not off recipe or anything. This is just out of Stephanie's head. She was like, try this. And I was like, okay, I will. Now, what I could have done is done these chicken thighs on the flat top and then put the dip on there and all that and the cheese, let it melt out and then scoop it up. So next time, if this turns out good, I'll probably do this on the flat top because cooking outdoors is just 10 times better. I'm sorry, it is. So where are we at now? Okay. So the chicken thighs, I prefer chicken thighs over chicken breast. The chicken thighs, all I did was season them salt, pepper, garlic, and some Italian seasoning. Do it however you want to do it. That's what I did. It's just kind of a standard whatever. They've been doing that overnight. I threw them on the grill till they were done. Here we are. So down below, as you can see, there's the chicken thighs. All I'm going to do is take the spinach and artichoke dip that I made yesterday. Again, that video is the last video I posted, simply called Spinach and Artichoke Dip Smoked. So, simple. Again, I've never done this before, and I'm not doing some other recipe or anything. We're just winging it here. So, I'm probably using too much, but I don't care. I gotta use it up, so. The little ones don't necessarily care for the spinach and artichoke dip, but so we're just going to try it like this. I do have some jalapenos, but I'm not going to add jalapenos to it just in case the little ones do enjoy this. Even though the tiniest one, Davis Noel, she loves spicy. That's a whole nother subject. We'll get into that in another video. It's crazy. But anyways, not going to do it this time. So I'm just going to now take mozzarella. Now keep in mind, when I make the caprese, I'm not putting mozzarella in that because I got mozzarella in here. There's mozzarella already in the spinach artichoke dip, and I'm putting mozzarella also on top of this. So in the caprese, if you don't know, I don't have a video or anything on that. Listen, if you've never made it, don't know how, if you want me to do a quick video on how to make that, let me know. I'll make it. Sosa, my friend Sosa, he gave me an idea. He said, ooh, what if you made a caprese salad and you smoked the tomatoes and the mozzarella? Ooh. I said, my gosh, man. So maybe I will do a video. Let me know in the comments if you see this. That sounds interesting. I'm doing a little cheddar cheese on this too because I just feel like it and I have some left and I want to use it up. So I'm not going to put that in the ingredient list because this is just a last minute, I want to do it sort of a thing. So I'm just throwing all this crap in there like that. I'm going to throw this in the oven at, again, 350. When I come back, I'll tell you how long it takes. Pretty much just until the cheese is melted and getting bubbly and you're done, right? Because spinach artichoke dip's just leftovers. Chicken's already cooked. So we're just going to get all this melted and looking good on it. And then I'm going to make the caprese here while this is cooking. We'll pull it out, show you what it looks like. We'll plate this thing, take a taste. Okay, it's been in there for 30 minutes at 350. I'm on a time crunch, so I did plop it on broil, walked away. I probably shouldn't have, so cooked a little bit more than I planned on, but here we are. So cheese is good and melted. Oh yeah, look at that, super melty. Throw it on like so. Let's top it with the Caprese, little Caprese. Check that out. I bet this is gonna be good. I'm gonna do some jalapenos because I like some spicy jalapenos. Ooh, got that juice dripping down. Let's try a bite. Again, I'm just winging this. Stephanie just had an idea. So all right, I'll try it out. And here we are. So let me get a bite without the jalapenos. Get some of this on here. It's kind of messed up looking. See if she's right. Oh, that's pretty good. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't think it could be bad. You know, I figured like, well, can't be terrible. But that's pretty good. I do think a little bit of balsamic, just a little bit kind of drizzled on top to add to it would kick it up even more. There's a fly in here. Did you guys see that? Anyways, this is not too shabby. Take another bite just to confirm that I think this is pretty good. There's so many flavors going on here. You get hit with the barbecue chicken. And again, season it and do it however you want to do it, right? Make it yours. Make it your own flavor profile, but I'm getting hit with that. Next up, I get that. And I want a little bit more. That's why I'm saying I'll probably drizzle some on top. But I do get hit with that balsamic, that caprese. Oh man, and it's, you know, nice and cool. You know, 'cause you're not cooking that. You're just topping it. And you get that with the fresh tomatoes. And then you're getting that really good, creamy, cheesy spinach artichoke dippy. Just smack me in the face. This is really good. Stephanie, this was a really good idea. So, good idea. Again, the only thing I'll do differently is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little balsamic, drizzle it on top because I do want a little bit more of that. But I've had 2 bites now, and every time there's just more flavors just attacking me. So this is good. Try it out. Why not? First, go back and watch the spinach artichoke dip video, smoked. Make that. Whether it's that same day or the next day, grill up some chicken, throw it on top of that, and do it on a flat top. Do it on the grill. You know, Stephanie would have done it on the grill if she was here. You know, do it on a flat top. So when it's melting and stuff, if it does kind of go across the side, you can scoop all that up, pop it on the plate so you don't miss out on any of that melted goodness. Make you a good caprese. Slap some of that on top. Do a little drizzle drazzle of some balsamic vinegar. Some jalapenos. Add some jalapenos on there if you like spice. You could even drizzle some sriracha sauce on it. That'd be good too. And then whatever, you know, I don't know with sides and all that, but I don't even need a side. I'm going to have, my side is going to be just more of this. That's all I need. I'm a meatitarian. This is all I need. And plus I got vegetables in here, right? I've got artichoke. I got spinach. I got cheese. I got jalapeno. I got tomatoes in here. I got basil. This is a meal all in one. I don't need anything else. I'm good to go. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll catch you again on the next morning. See ya.